The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, premium sound, multi-zone climate control, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.